Hey guys, welcome to Netizen 2.0. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Netizen 2.0. In this video, we are gonna see about the most popular candies in 17 countries. The United States of America. The US just can't seem to make up its mind about which classic American chocolate treat it prefers. The hard candy coated pieces you can eat by the handful or delicious creamy peanut butter sandwiched between layers of milk chocolate. Reese's and M&M's are locked in battle for number one position in the yearly candy sales, swapping places every few years. In 2012, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups was the winner, while in 2016, M&M's took the spot. Canada. We got to love the alliteration there. Whether Canadians love Kit Kats because it is so fun to say or because they really just need a break, as the tagline goes, we can appreciate their love for this crispy chocolatey candy. Mexico. In global marketing terms, sugar confectionery includes chewing gum. That explains why the most popular candy in the world, at least in Mexico as of 2016, was Trident gum. They love things that are chewy and sweet. We too just usually prefer to eat it. Trident also happens to be the number one top selling chewing gum in the world. Brazil. Though there was apparently some competition from Trident gum in 2012, Mondelez International maintains that the Lacta brand has topped candy sales in Brazil for at least the past century. Their most popular product in Brazil as of 2016 was Bubbly, a light, crispy, aerated chocolate bar that looks super fun to eat. South Africa. Chocolate covered nugget, caramel, biscuit, peanuts, and puff rice. If only every lunch could be so sweet. As of 2016, Cadbury Lunch Bar was the top selling candy in South Africa. Though in the past it's been beat out by candies sold by Beacon Sweets and Chocolates. Fun fact. This most popular South African candy is sold in the name of Picnic in the UK, where it's one of the most popular British candies. Egypt. We all know that there are pyramids in Egypt, but did we know that Egyptians love chewing gums? Another chewing gum tops the list. As of 2016, Chiclets sold more than any other candy in this North African country. This chocolate is loved by the people of four countries. They are UK, Ireland, Australia, and India. You might have guessed what the chocolate is. This simple British milk chocolate bar is one of the most popular candies in the world, topping list of favorite candies in a whopping four countries. That includes its country of origin though in 2012 it topped sales charts there. Yes, it is Cadbury Dairy Milk. France. Here's a fun one. Though France has plenty in the way of candy and food to be proud of, its top selling sugar confectionery in 2016 was a chewing gum, inspired by a distinctively American phenomenon, Hollywood movies. So, the gum's name is Hollywood Gum. Do you get it? Germany. Though many Americans are familiar with the German chocolate Ritter Sport, it's Milka that takes the cake for most popular candy in the country. This milk chocolate bar and its many varieties also top charts in at least 5 other countries across Western, Central and Eastern Europe. 5! Saudi Arabia. Another fun fact for you. This favorite candy of Saudi Arabia is just another name for the Dough bar. In fact, the packaging looks almost identical except for the name, right down to the rupee font. It is Galaxy. Russia. America has the Hershey bar. The UK has Cadbury Dairy Milk. Germany has Milka and Russia has Alpengold, a massively popular chocolate bar that also tops favorite candy charts in Azerbaijan. China. Dough chocolate takes another win in China as of 2016. However, in the past, Su Fu Chi has also sold in big numbers. The Chinese company makes chocolates, pastries, lollipops, gummies, jelly beans, and more. Of course, they have chocolates with insects. Japan. You thought it would be Kit Kats, didn't you? Though Japan has taken Kit Kat enthusiasm to astronomical levels with its huge variety of creative flavors, the British import is beaten out by the Japanese original Meiji chocolate. South Korea. Named for the West African country that cacao beans are sourced from, Ghana chocolate is popular throughout Asian countries. Its milk and dark varieties are some of the most popular candies in South Korea. If this list didn't make you want to take a world candy tour, I don't know what would. But no need to break the bank on airfare for the sake of tasting the most popular candy in the world. Hey guys, are you still there? I also would like to say about kadla mithai and ten mithai, which are some healthy snacks that you can make by yourself and eat it during the lockdown. Until I see you in the next video, adios. And don't forget to subscribe to Netizen 2.0.